When we begin the journey of building our budget, getting out of debt, and having an overall plan for our finances, I say to start by tracking your expenses. For 30 days, write down everything that you spend. That physical act of writing it down will cause something to stick in your mind that never has, and you'll begin to see the real numbers so you can build a real plan that's going to work for you. Now, a lot of people say tracking, that seems simple. It's too easy, it's too basic. It's a small beginning. Well, Zechariah 4:10 says, "Do not despise the small beginnings, for the Lord rejoices to see the work begin, to see the plumb line in the hand of Zerubbabel." Now, what is a plumb line? A plumb line is a straight edge. It's literally a boundary. When you're in construction and you're building and you're putting bricks side by side, you go up to the edge so that you have a straight edge in your construction project. It becomes a boundary, a healthy boundary for the building. Well, as you're building your finances, you need a healthy boundary for where your money is going to go every month. We call that the budget. Don't despise the small beginnings, that tracking expenses, because the Lord rejoices to see you begin this journey. God is literally celebrating that you have started the process of honoring Him in your finances. You've pulled out the plumb line and you've started to lay bricks side by side so that you have a healthy boundary in your finances. I'm so excited that you're on this journey, and realize, don't despise those small beginnings. God rejoices to see you begin the work.